Hello from Kyrgyzstan. Well, this is my last day, and behind me you can see Lenin Peak, which is at 7,300 meters. Right now I am at 4,400 meters, but I am not going any further. No, it's too hard. To get here, can you see the lake way back up there, far back? I had to walk there, from there. So it took me, about 3 hours. It's a very long walk. You climb, yeah. So, yeah, even up here. So yeah, very hard. You can see the glacier here and there, coming down the mountain, and then the peak of the mountain, 7,300 meters. So next is China, crossing into China Monday in 2 days. And as I've told you before, in China it's not independent travel. You need to do a tour. So I'm meeting the other boys and girls. I think there are about 10 motorcycles, and we're using a tour company called Ride China. There is as a tour company, much cheaper, but usually they don't go via Tibet. I wanted to go via Tibet. Anyway, crossing China will be about 9,000 kilometers in 28 days. I mean, on visa on 30 days, but we're doing it in 28 days, which means there is some big days. I think there is only 4 days that we will not be riding. The first 2 days on 700 kilometers each. I mean, for me it's a lot, because usually by myself I never do more than 400 kilometers. So 700 kilometers, that's a long time on a motorbike. So now I have to walk back. Probably will take me another three hours. I will be sleeping in a yurt. My motorbike is there. Yeah. In this yurt it's very nice. Like that time before, they cook you dinner and breakfast. So it's for my last couple of days in Kyrgyzstan. It's a nice thing to do. Yeah, I have to admit, Kyrgyzstan was, even though I've been there, but I've discovered new places, and wow, it's such an amazing place. It will have to. It's probably one of my top 10 in the world, in my favorite countries. Very nice. Good morning. Today is the 1st of September 2025. We are leaving Kyrgyzstan, and soon we are crossing to China. So here is a group. I think there are about 14 motorcycles. Some people, one guy is from Ukraine, some people from New Zealand, one is from Mexico, some Italian. So a mixed group. So yeah. So next is China. So now we are in China. We just went through immigration, and that took let's see, about 3 hours to go through. And we had to take all the luggage off the back, everything, and search everything. So that's why it took so long. So next is a custom, which is about 120 kilometers from here. And in the custom, I think we will get on license, driving license in Chinese, and also registration plate. Second day in China, and yesterday was hectic going through the border, and today it's inspection of all the bikes, and also we are getting our license, our riding license in Chinese, and also number plate in Chinese, and we're doing that today. I have to say, it's there is cameras everywhere on the road, so you cannot speed or anything. It's police everywhere. It's a different world.
牵住你的手，相别在黄河楼。波涛万里长江水，送你下扬州。真情伴你走，春色为你留。24桥明月夜，牵挂在扬州。扬州城有没有我这样的好朋友？扬州城有没有人为你分担忧和愁？你再问我回吗？你看我快步，我天哪！可以。那个在那排点，鱼好多。
Good morning. Okay, we've been on the road for about 12 days now. It has been relentless. We only had 1 day off without riding, and every day has been between 500 and 700 kilometers. So every day. Now we have entered Tibet, and I'm not sure where the group is, because I took a small road and they took the freeway. I mean, I'd rather take the small road, because you can see things like that, with the yaks. I think it's farming. They've just killed one up there. You can see it. Yep. So we are at about 4,200 meters. This is the plateau of Tibet, which is very big. This is, I think the plateau of Tibet is 2,500 kilometers long and 1,000 kilometers wide. So it's kind of double the size of France. So it's very big. For the next 10 days, we will stay at between 4,000 and 5,000 meters, sometime even more, because when we get close to the base camp of Everest, we will sleep at 5,200 meters. This is it's difficult to sleep and a bit of a headache at that altitude. And it's cold. This morning when we left, it was like -1 or 0 degrees, quite cold. Now it's probably 6 degrees. It's about 10 o'clock. Yeah. So so I will catch up with the others later on. Now the white has been good. It's just so much riding, so much every day. I'm not used to that. Yeah. All right, I will talk to you later if I have some other news. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Well, for about 3,000 kilometers when we crossed China, it was boring. Freeway and nothing to see, and hot. Now it's completely different. We are on Tibet, on a plateau, over 4,000 meters. So it's very cold, beautiful sceneries, and and small roads. And I could see some lot of pilgrim people walking. I would imagine they're going to Lhasa. Here's a farm. Yaks. Yep. As you can hear from my breathing, I mean, over 4,000 meters is hard to breathe. All the yaks. The lady's probably going to milk them. This is a pilgrim. He's walking probably 1,000 kilometers to Lhasa, and while praying. Can you imagine that? And there's so many of them. We see them all along the road. I mean, I can't believe it. So we are now in Tibet, at the autonomous Tibet. As you know, to get there, you need permits. So I feel very privileged to be able to ride my own motorcycle in Tibet. And all that is thank you to the tour company I'm using, Ride China. There is a cheaper tour company, but they don't go to Tibet, autonomous part of Tibet.
And also Swiss companies are cheaper because the hotel are not included and all that. With Wild China, everything is included. And they really, from my experience, we get, 5-star hotels. They're really nice. Something I never go to, so it's very nice. After a hard day on the bike, and for example, yesterday we spent 11 hours on the bike. So it's nice to be very comfortable. So yes, so if you're looking to a company that look after you and look at that scenery, beautiful. This is, it's been like that for the last 3 days. It's absolutely magnificent. Look at that. So nice. So White China.
Yeah, can you tell the people watching this video why they should use Ride China to cross China? Why should they use Ride China?
Because Ride China is one of the best and most cost-effective company to cover the whole China motor riding.
Very good. Thank you, Tony. He's right. You probably are thinking that traveling with 14 other motorbikes could not be very fun. But in actual fact, we never ride together. I'm by myself, today. Usually the guide will tell you, okay, tonight we stop at this hotel. So you put it on your GPS, and in the evening everybody is there. So you do whatever you want during the day, which is a big advantage because I would hate to travel in a convoy. Now you are free to do whatever you want. Well, this is a record. Well, on this trip, 4,900 meters. Well, tomorrow we will arrive in Lhasa, the capital of the autonomous Tibet. So I will finish this video here. Don't forget to like it and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Yes, and I look forward to see you for the second part of China. Bye for now.